What's up, guys? Today, we're going to demonstrate password security using Termux on Android. We'll be doing a dictionary attack on a password-protected zip file. Here we have our target, test.zip. It's password protected. We also have our weapon, rockyou.txt, one of the most famous password word lists in cybersecurity. Let's check the size. Now we execute the attack. We're using a Python script that tries every password from our word list against the zip file. Watch the progress counter climb. And there it is. At exactly 5% through our word list, we got a match. The password is ... Let's verify. We'll extract the file using the password we found and read the contents. This demonstrates why you should never use common passwords. Rootdx was in a public word list and got cracked in under 2 minutes. Stay safe, use strong passwords, and never reuse them. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.